Good afternoon. Todd Hayes from Diamond Truck Center in Edmonton, Alberta. We have today a 2024 International HV607. It's a setback axle. It is single axle. It's wheatland yellow. This is a dump truck, plow truck. Got a front frame hitch here for a very big plow. Optional hood mounted mirrors, and as you can see, plow lights are mounted on top as well as additional LED lights looking down. Optional winter front. Optional turn signals here on the side fender. It's got the painted sunshade as well as the chrome mirrors with the clearance lights. Fuel tank under the driver's side door with self-cleaning steps for better corrosion resistance and better grip. Hydraulic tank is here with a ladder to get up into the truck. Equipped with air ride suspension. Valve enclosure here on this side as well as the battery box. Vertical tailpipe. The SCR is under the cab on the passenger side here. This truck is equipped with a Cummins L9 rated at 370 horsepower. It is mated to an Allison 3000 series 6-speed automatic transmission. Truck turned out very well. Looks very, very nice. Should look awesome with the front plow mounted. If you're interested in this truck, certainly check out our website, www.dit.ca, or you can reach me personally at THAIST@dit.ca, 780-977-8221. Certainly like to help you with all your international truck requirements. Thank you very much for watching today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I always like to showcase international trucks, mostly for the vocational market, and that I've sold to my customers. This one has been sold to a very satisfied customer and will be delivered very, very shortly. Have a great afternoon.